Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a versatile accessory designed to expand the capabilities of your MacBook Pro or Air, specifically the 2018 to 2024 models. It's the Imakin 12-in-1 USB-C hub dongle, a device promising to transform a single USB-C port into a powerhouse of connectivity. This dongle is all about expanding your workspace. It boasts not one, but two 4K 60Hz HDMI ports, alongside a VGA port for older displays. This means you can drive multiple monitors simultaneously, enhancing productivity or creating an immersive gaming experience. Keep in mind that when using both HDMI ports, only one monitor will display in 4K. The VGA port supports up to 1080p at 60 Hz. Data transfer speeds are also a key focus. The inclusion of two USB 3.0 ports, each delivering 900 mAh output, ensures swift syncing and file transfers at up to 5 gigabits per second. This is perfect for quickly moving large files between external drives and your MacBook. Additionally, two USB 2.0 ports are available for peripherals like keyboards and mice, preventing any lag or connectivity issues. For those who rely on a stable network connection, the Gigabit Ethernet port is a welcome addition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.